Shenseea mother laid to rest today. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Full story coming up right after this.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, so Shenseea mom was laid to rest today, and the whole Ramesh Entertainment team was there in her support. We see a couple of the artists, but I'm going to show no one who did it. See me, I say, the most surprising thing I see Russian, because as far as me know, I think Russian deliver foreign, but it looked like he made it down there, or he made it down there. So me, I say, and he attend the funeral, which is like, say a lot about Russian himself. You see me? So big up Russian pan that. But we see other celebrities there, like Romy and Virgo. I'm going to show you a clip of Romy and Virgo singing at the funeral. So big up Romy and Virgo. Look at this.
Is the butter and
Yeah, people, there's not a lot of clips right now. Maybe later Shenseea will post herself, but as of right now, she don't post, Ding Dong no post. But Ramesh did post, and that's how I see the other celebrities them. So, may have some clip with Ramesh, may go show them there, and we're going to come back and talk a little bit. So, let's see what Ramesh has say, and let's see what go on.
We have to big up the family for support, right? Real big. Keep it done. California.
Yeah, people, so when you see the whole team, when you see Ramesh and my name out, some of my people and did it. You see people like Taurus Riley and also, DJ Black Boy and the whole Ramesh Entertainment team, right? I'm always talk about them people here, and when I say people are talking about Team Ramesh, it's always like them support each other, The last time I see Ding Dong getting married, it was the same thing. Ramesh first, I see post, and everybody thought it was Ramesh getting married, because Ramesh, well dressed and thing, and then later on we see him on Ding Dong, and then him start give a little gems and start say, yeah, a wedding time on Ray, and we'll find out what go on afterwards. I know a funeral day today. Shenseea mom gets sent off in a style. I have to ask, I have a lot of clip like me say people, but we have to ask if she gets sent off in a style, because say Shenseea go all out for her mom. We already know the relationship with Shenseea have with her mother when she was alive. So I don't think it no different or nothing change. We think Shenseea go give it her all. Right now, we don't know how Shenseea feel right now personally. We know she was grieving over the past few days, after her mother died, and we see she try to lighten up on the internet. We see she start post some regular thing and try to get back in her groove, but me not think say it's over. Me think say she still feel the pain, especially now a funeral day, she probably cry her heart out today. But we don't know yet, people, you see me? But I just want to show you these clips that I had, and showing you say, yeah, well, today was the funeral and things. So we are going to stand by and wait for some more clips and see what go on, what actually took place at the funeral. Maybe or maybe not, I make another video, depending on what it is. If not, just check on my Instagram, at Dancehall IG. You're going to see whatever I get from Shenseea or anybody else. Our Circle for page too, But more than likely, I'm going to take it from everybody page and make it easier for you. So you might see what Ding Dong have, you might see what Ramesh have, you might see what Shenseea have. You understand? So big up Shenseea. My condolences to her and her family again, and rest in peace to her mom. Big up the whole team, Ramesh. Big up Russia and everybody. Big up Russia and forward again from all the way overseas. So yeah, people, just get in the comment section and just send well wishes, and big up Shenseea said we. Alright, thank you for watching.
we got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.